we're back. So, last time we did a video, Cliff made a statement that didn't need to be made. But he always talking, and he not always ready to hear the responses. So here goes. Tell us what you said.
I don't remember.
So what was said? He said that without the football team, there wouldn't need to be a band.
I don't think I said it that way.
I'm gonna give him a second opportunity. So tell us what you said.
I don't recall. We'll just pick up on this.
First of all, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, what's going on this month is that this is basically homecoming month as well as classic month. So we're gonna talk about the HBCU life in honor of missing all the games for this season, because we're not as important as the SEC.
True.
So,
not as important as the SEC, the Big Ten,
all of
the
it.
12, the Pac-10,
all
of them.
Period.
But we were smart. What we did was we waited until spring to have extracurricular activities. So
let the sun shine, a lovely day. Okay, all of it. The last video we did, he made a statement in the video saying that basically, summing it up, that without the football team, there would be no need for band. First of all, the band is not needed. I will agree with you. The band is not needed. It's wanted.
Here's where we got into this sort of debate.
Mm-hmm.
You said that 90% of the people go to the games to see the band.
I was over-exaggerating.
That's what I was disputing.
But we both know that I was over-exaggerating with that number. So anyway, he wants to go on and on like Erykah Badu. And so I was like, but let's do it then. Let's get into the facts. So the facts is the band was there before the football team. Period. Go look it up. Go look up your history, okay? Because it was the band sounding off during the wars. It wasn't a football team. Now, yes, they were there for the war, and the war was the battle, but it wasn't a football game. Y'all get what I'm saying? Come through. Come through with your facts. Then let's keep going, because he don't have anything else to say. Let's keep going. So after the football team has finished playing the game, what's the band still doing? Right? Then he wanted to make the point, if there's no football game, there's no band. If there's no football team, there's no band. I had to shut him down on that because Talladega is living proof that you don't need the football team to have the band program. So then on top of that, even when the football team has a bye week, that doesn't mean the band get the break. If we get the break with the bye game, it's a blessing.
You act as though the football team gets a break. There's still practice going on.
Everybody is practicing. I never said that. Y'all aren't performing. Y'all aren't out there y'all aren't suited and booted.
We are suited and booted, yes. We are.
Okay, so
during practice, we practice.
Practice is not what I'm talking about. I'm not talking. Everybody practices.
Well,
everybody practices.
Hear me out. 2 to 3 days out of the week, we practice full pads. That's suited and booted. Whether you want to call that practice or game time, it's still suited and booted. Okay. Period. Okay. Y'all don't go out on y'all practice days suited and booted.
Okay. So let's talk about why we don't. Have you ever put on a band uniform?
Negative.
Okay. I rest the case. But we really not talking about the uniform, because you gotta wear a uniform to be on the team. You get what I'm saying? You gotta wear a uniform. So it's really not the uniform. Yeah, okay, it's uncomfortable for both sides. Right. However, you will not say that the band cannot exist or cannot be. That's still the same thing. Cannot exist without the football team.
I'm not saying that they can't exist.
We perform way more than the football team.
I don't know about that.
Count it up. How many games y'all play a year, a season?
It could be between 10 to 15.
Okay, so between 10 to 15. That's if y'all make it to the playoffs, right?
True.
Okay, the band performs. We do the home games. Okay, because that's a given. You at the home games. We do a couple of away games.
Mm-hmm.
So when we not at those away games, guess what we doing?
Twiddling your thumbs.
No, friend. We not twiddling the thumbs. We preparing for a battle of the bands. It never fails. Okay, it never fails. Anytime there was an away game and we did not have to go, guess what we had to do? Battle of the bands. We do battle of the bands. We go perform at various schools to promote and recruit. You get what I'm saying? We do various parades. I ain't ever seen the football team do anybody's type of parade.
We used to walk in the parade.
Walk in the parade. So y'all walking in the Veterans Day parade. So in honor of all of us that work extra hard, okay? I'm not saying y'all don't work hard. Don't do that. I did not say the football team does not work hard. Don't anybody try to come for me.
You put emphasis on
us because I'm supporting us. You can't wear these without being a part. You did. All I'm saying is the band is important. All right. And then when you really think about it, the band is the biggest organization on any campus. In most colleges / universities, the band is the biggest organization there. We are a very important entity of the school. So again, I'm not. You want me to advertise A&M? I'm advertising the band because this is football versus band. Now I can be, but I was honoring the bands. So I'm speaking for all bands. I'm not just trying to speak for one school. I'm trying to speak for all bands because I get tired. I get tired of people thinking that, if it went for the football team, if it went for the football game, if it went for... Come on, friends. Don't do that. Don't do that. Be nice. You love the band. And guess what? Before he ever played football, guess what he was doing?
You can't do that.
Everybody wants to be a part. You can be a part. There is nobody telling you not to.
So here's what she's referring to for those that don't know me. I didn't start.
That's understood what I just said.
No. Listen to what I'm saying.
Okay, Linda.
I didn't start playing football until my 6th grade year. Before then, my mother had me and my brother in piano lessons. I got tired of piano lessons after about a year because I wanted to be outside with my friends.
And do hood rat things with his rat friends.
So Mama finally opened up to me and my brother playing football around my 6th grade year, of which I was pretty good. So that led up to me continuing to play football.
But you said you was in the band because you did some kind of parade.
Well, we did help the band out in parade.
So don't leave those pieces out. He don't want to tell the truth, nothing but the truth. He just want to give y'all pause. But again, he started out. All I'm saying is the band is important. The football team is important as well. But I wish that wasn't a part of conversations. You get what I'm saying?
True.
I do. I just wish that we would all look at each other as we're helping our school we're putting an impact in some type of way. And I do feel that, being in the band, especially in HBCU, you're like, the celebrities. I do feel that. I don't feel the football team is. Just kidding. I kid.
You feel that way?
I kid.
Okay.
I kid.
But anyway, why don't you all comment down below what you think as far as what do you go to the game for? Is it to see the game? Is it to see the band? Or is it for tailgating? Or perhaps you're one of those who go for it all. And then again, I'm sorry, I failed to mention the fashion show. If you're one of those that go for the fashion show, then hey, make that known as well.
Yeah, but as Cliff said, leave your comment and let us know. Because I want to know. But again, I will end this video by saying we can go without the football team.
And the football team go without the band.
Absolutely. But look at Talladega.
Well, With that being said, I guess tune in to the next one.
And just listen to what Ava says. All right, guys? Peace out.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.